Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you about ClickUp project management software. ClickUp is a productive, easy to use tool that allows us to visualize our work capacity, manage and collaborate teams and enterprise companies. With ClickUp, we can automate work with 50 plus actions and customized options. Using ClickUp, you can build a perfect structure that scales with your ultimate business needs. The link for ClickUp is given in the description down below. Click on the link and you will get to this platform right here. ClickUp is all-in-one platform that has all the right features and tools for your team. With ClickUp, you can assign tasks to different team members, track time for billable hours, add links and documents, make strategies, set due dates for the projects to meet deadlines. We can set priorities, choose from hundreds of integrations, add visual widgets, and get different views. And not only this, while using ClickUp, there are unique templates, custom fields, calendar and map sync, reporting, reminders are available too. So if you are using ClickUp, there is no more switching between the tools. ClickUp can be used by small teams and large teams as well. You can also use ClickUp as an individual manager or a freelancer. So if you are a content creator or a business manager looking for all-in-one, affordable, easy-to-use project management software, then ClickUp is the right choice for you. The link for ClickUp is given in the description down below. Simply click on the link and you will land right here. Features and tools. When you sign up for ClickUp, you will get your own workspace. And in a workspace on ClickUp, we can simply go ahead and create different boards. On ClickUp, we get our own home, and then we can create new spaces. We can also create different dashboards within a workspace. So I can create a CRM dashboard and a project dashboard separately. We also get different views such as Gantt, document, table, map, and others. There are other tools available such as record clip, track time, reminder, notepad, new documents, calendar, and task tray. On ClickUp, I can simply go ahead and share a workspace as well. Once you create your own workspace, then you can create different lists and each list has different tasks. There are different features and tools that you can use in order to create a very creative and productive workspace of your own. That will actually help you save time and get more productive. Use cases. You can use ClickUp for project management, remote work, development, marketing, sales, design, CRM, health, startup, and nonprofit. So if you are a team looking to manage your team or to create your CRM, then ClickUp is the platform for you. Pricing plans. ClickUp right now has 5 pricing plans for you. Let's check out the pricing plans so we have an idea about the affordability of the platform. When it comes to ClickUp, there is a free plan available, which is free forever. All of the features are given below, such as storage, which is 100 MB, unlimited tasks, unlimited members, and more. Then we have a plan known as Unlimited, and it is best for small teams. It is $9 per member per month. Then we have a business plan, which is going to be $19 per member per month, and it is best for mid-sized teams. Then we have a business plus, which is best for multiple teams, and it is $29 per member per month. And then we have an enterprise, which is going to be customized features for customized pricing. But the best thing is that you can save up to 45% with yearly plans. So if you go with yearly, then you will be saving up to 45%. And you will get unlimited plan for just $5 per user per month. And the business plan is going to be just $12 per member per month. And then business plan is going to be $19 per member per month. So this is actually pretty good that we can save up to 45% with yearly plans. So you can simply go ahead and click on the link given in the description down below and select the plan of your choice. You can go ahead and select this plan right here, which is $5 per member per month if you have a small team. And if you want to go for a business or business plus, then you can go for these plans right here, $12 and $19, and you can enjoy the 45% save. You can also get a free trial if you will click on the link given in the description down below. How to use. Once you sign up for ClickUp, and signing up process is really easy. You can simply sign up with your Google account. So let me show you around that how you use ClickUp and how to create different tasks. So the first thing that you get on ClickUp is going to be Home. Then we have Calendar, Agenda, and Mentions right here. Here you will find the option of Spaces, Dashboard, and Documents. This is my workspace for which I have signed up. And this is the invite option where I will be able to invite a member. So let's go ahead and create a space on ClickUp. Simply click right here and click on New Space. Now you have to add the name for your new space. Let's go ahead and call it Demo. I can also go with different templates available. On ClickUp, we get a lot of different templates to choose from. You can see right here, I can go with Project Management, Event Planning, CRM, Personal Use, Products, then we have PMO, HR, Sales, and CRM. So you can use any of these different templates if you want to go for a professional workspace. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and create a workspace from the scratch. So you will have a better idea how to create a workspace of your own. So you have to add a workspace name. Let's call it Demo. Click on Next. Now I can select a space color. Let's go with this color right here. I can also select any kind of different icons from here. Click on Next. Now you have to select if you want to go for a private or public workspace. I'm going to go for a private workspace for now, where I will be able to share it with only people I want to add. Now we have to add different statuses to our workspace. Statuses simply mean that we simply add statuses in which we simply add different tasks, such as I can go for a status known as Complete. Or you can simply go ahead and use templates as well. Again, we get different templates to create statuses as well. If you want to go with content, then you will get all of these statuses, such as Ready, Writing, Approval, Rejected, and Publish. If you are in marketing, then you will get Concept, In Progress, Running, and Review. Keep in mind that we can delete any of these different statuses or we can add new. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one, Content. Click on Next. Then we have to add different elements for our task, such as priorities, email, custom fields, time tracking, tags, multiple assignees, dependency, and incomplete warning. So I'm going to add all of these and click on Next. Then we have views. What kind of different views you want to go for. And you can see right here on ClickUp, we get all of these different views, such as List, Calendar, Activity, Table, Workload, Box, Map, Timeline, and Mind Map. So I want all of these views. I'm going to go ahead and select all. So this is what my task will look like. This is the avatar, shared with, statuses, ClickUp apps, and then we have default views. Click on Create Space and a new space will be created. So this is my brand new workspace that I created on ClickUp. You can see right here we have Home, Notification, Goals. Then we have Spaces where I can switch between my workspaces. Then we have Dashboards and Documents. And this is going to be the owner's name. Here we have the invite option. When I click on invite, I will be able to invite different members to my workspaces. To invite someone, you simply enter their email address and click on invite. I have entered an email address and now I will click on invite. An invitation will be sent to them on their email address and they will be able to join my workspace. Let's go back. Here you can see I have all of my views. I have list view, then we have board view, calendar, timeline, activity, workload, and more. Then we have automate option right here, which allows us to go to click apps, custom fields, statuses, and templates. Then again we have share option, which will allow me to share my workspace. Right here we get all of these different tools, such as record clip, reminder, notepad, new documents, calendar, and task tray. I can pin any of these right here or unpin them. Let's go to board views. So this is a board view on ClickUp, and all of these different statuses are available. Let's create a new task. In order to create a new task, you can simply click right here or click on this button right here, which also says create task. Another way to create a new task is simply click right here. It will also allow you to create a new task. So click right here. Now you simply have to enter the task name. Let's call it task 1 and click on save. Now this task has been created. Let's open it up and add few of more things. So this is the view of a task. I can simply go ahead and assign this task to someone. Then I can set a priority. After that, I can share this task. Then we have task settings such as merge, move, print, dependencies, copy link, copy ID, and more. We also get the delete option right here. Then I can add a description for this task. For now, let's write the word description. Then I can go ahead and add a due date or deadline. Let's go ahead and add tomorrow's deadline. There you go. We can also track time within our task from this option. This is going to be the view. And then I can simply go ahead and attach different files to my task as well. We can also go ahead and create a subtask of this task. Once you're done with all of the settings, you simply close a task and it is added right here. Now I can go ahead and add as many tasks as I want to. The number of tasks in a list are shown right here. I have one task in this list. Now, you can see right here we have all of these different statuses. To add a new status, I can simply click right here and add a name. We can also change the color for different statuses in order to customize our workspace. So this is how you simply create a task in ClickUp. We can also filter our search by these options available. Then we have subtasks and assignees given here. When it comes to views, we get more than 10 views on ClickUp. You can see right here, and I can switch between all of these different views. I hope this tutorial will help you make an informed decision if you want to use ClickUp for CRM, HR, marketing, sales, media production, even as an individual. Click on the link given in the description and you will get to this platform right here, and you can also get a free trial. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel.